Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to mark a parking spot on Waze. Whether you're trying to remember where you parked in a busy city, or you simply want to share helpful parking locations with other drivers, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Waze app and navigate to the area where you parked or where you want to mark a parking spot. Make sure your map is showing the correct location so you don't accidentally mark the wrong spot. Once you're there, press and hold your finger on the exact location of your parking spot. This will bring up a small menu of options on your screen. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, look for the option labeled with a little thread or pin icon, usually appearing at the bottom of the screen. Tap on this icon, and you'll see several actions that allow you to interact with the location. One of these options is Mark Your Parking Spot. Tap on that, and Waze will save the spot on your map. This is perfect for finding your car later or even helping friends know exactly where you parked. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your GPS location is turned on and that Waze has permission to access your location. Doing this beforehand ensures the pin is placed accurately and prevents any confusion later on. You can also add notes if you want to remember details like the floor of a parking garage or nearby landmarks. Once you've completed these steps, your parking spot will be saved on Waze, and you can easily navigate back to it whenever you need to. After that, you should be able to share your spot or simply use it as a reference without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to double-check the pin placement before leaving your car, just to ensure everything is accurate. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to mark parking spots on Waze easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?